Alright, YouTube family, for today's ingredients, we've got cheese, we've got salsa, half a cup of white onions, a pound of ground chicken, our tacos, and some chicken broth. So I'm at the stove, folks, and I'm putting about 2 squirts of canola oil in a hot pan, and bam, there it is. There's that ground chicken. So I'm just going to chop up this ground chicken. I want to make sure that I chop it up really fine and really nice. You want to let this cook for at least about 5 to 7 minutes. 165 degrees is the internal temp that is safe. So I'm just going around in a circle here, chopping up this nice and ready to eat ground chicken. All right, so there it is. It's been 3 to 5 to 7 minutes, and again, I'm going around really quickly, just chopping up my ground chicken. I got it the way that I like it, and so here are those onions, and I'm just gonna sprinkle those onions on top, and then I want to make sure that I mix and incorporate all of this onion flavor into our ground chicken, folks. This is what makes it special. So I'm just mixing it around here. And here it is, the secret ingredient. That's right, chicken broth. So I'm pouring around that chicken broth. This gives amazing flavor. This is going to be out of this world. So I'm just taking my spoon, incorporating all of those flavors into this awesome ground chicken, folks. This is good. And then, yes, here is that salsa, that thick and tomatoey salsa. I'm doing about 3 teaspoons here, not too much. I just want to mix it in and warm it up because those onions are going to evaporate all of that flavor, and it is going to be amazing, folks. I mean, totally amazing. Plus, this thick salsa has some other vegetables, so there you are. There's your added benefit. All right. So now I've added a salt and pepper mixture. This is for extra flavor. And I'm just going to take my spatula and mix around that salt and pepper. And it's just infusing in all of that chicken broth and onions and ground chicken, folks. Guys, this is only a 20-minute meal. Any of you guys can do this. This is definitely great. I mean, totally amazing. Just look at that. All right, we're almost ready to get our tacos. And here I've got 8 tacos. Looks really good. I'm going to throw those into the oven here, folks, and bake that at 350 for about 7 minutes. So there it is, putting it in the oven. YouTube family, if you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Chef Timmy Jay, please follow me. And now let me finish and get this plated up for the final presentation, folks. So I'm just stuffing as much of this ground chicken that I can into each and every taco, folks. This is totally amazing. I mean, I just want to go ahead and stuff. Guys, in the comments, what type of tacos do you like? Let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll fix some of them for you. Let me grab my cheese, and this is that cheese mix. It's kind of a Swiss and cheddar mix. I'm throwing that on top of these tacos here, just kind of spreading it out. And then, of course, I can't wait to hurry up and get to my favorite cheese, which is, yes, the mozzarella. So I'm opening up my mozzarella, and of course, anything that's childproof, I can't get into it. So yes, there it is. I'm adding mozzarella, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is an amazing dish. Guys, please, again, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I'm adding the final touches of this thick and chunky salsa all over, so that way when you guys take this bite, you're gonna get messy and dirty. Looks great. All right, guys. Chef Timmy J. I hope you like this content, and I look forward to seeing you on the next. Peace.